Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play a very beautiful praise and worship song called We Fall Down, written by Chris Tomlin. In my description below there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart for this song absolutely free. So let's get started. We fall down, we lay our crown at the feet of Jesus. The greatness of His mercy and love at the feet of Jesus. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Okay, to play this song, we're using the key of G major, but I'm capoing it up to the 3rd fret to raise up the key to actually a B flat chord progression, but you'll still use the same G major shape. So the chords on this song is G major, D major, E minor, C, and then back to D again. Okay, and that's just repeated 2 times for the verse. Okay, so a quick review of these chords. To play the G major chord, you place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That's G major. Okay, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but the top string. Okay, to play the E minor chord, you place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. That is E minor. And then to play C major, you place finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then skip a string and place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. That is C major. Okay, and these are all the chords you'll need to know to play this song. Okay, to play this song I just use simple down and up strokes. We fall down to switch the D, we lay our crown, E minor, at the feet, C major of Jesus, D major, do it again, the greatness of D, mercy and love, at the feet of Jesus. And then on the chorus we just do G, C, and D 3 times. And we cry, holy, holy, holy. And we cry, holy, holy, holy. One more time. We cry, holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. And then you could repeat that chorus 2-3 times and the verse 2-3 times. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. And you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day and God bless you.